Hey guys, my name's Tyler Smith here with MarineMax Texas MasterCraft, bringing you another new piece of inventory. This is going to be a 2023 Crest 220LX. This boat does have a 150 on the back of it. It is here at MarineMax. We are going to be your one-stop shop for all your boating needs. We've got all your life jackets, tubes, ropes, whatever you need in our pro shop. Our finance department will take care of you, make sure you're set up with insurance, and then our service is great on the back end to give you that peace of mind out there on the water. Let's take a step inside and look at some of the features. All right guys, as we step inside of the boat, you can see on the back of it, we do have that tow ski bar, and we also have that 150 Merc. This is gonna push this boat to do whatever you guys wanna do, wakeboarding, skiing, whatever you guys do out there. We do have the center walk-through dual helm layout on this boat, so you have a ton of lounging space here on the back. There's storage underneath all of these seats, as well as speakers and cup holders all around the boat. As I said, we do have the dual helm seats, so this is really nice for your passenger whenever you're going out there on the water. You guys can take a nice little cruise. On our helm, we do have all of our switches for everything to control the boat. Fusion head unit, that's going to be Bluetooth audio, everything that you need. And then your Lowrance hook system, which is going to be your depth finder, chart plotter, everything that you need for the rest of the boat, as well as your gauges. As we step forward, you can see we kind of have a copy of what's on the back of the boat, but this really maximizes the seating that you're going to have on this boat. You can have some people up here in the sun, and you also have a cooler underneath this spot right here. Again, this is a Crest 220LX here at MarineMax Texas MasterCraft. My name's Tyler Smith. Give me a call, we can get you squared away.